Hello and welcome back to my channel. We have already completed reading and speaking module. Today we are going to start with writing module. So writing, there are two tasks, task 1 and task 2. Today we are going to start with essay writing first, that is your task 2. Okay, we are going to discuss about essay. Later we'll discuss about task 1 also. So basically what is essay writing or what is task 2 of writing? In essay writing, they are going to present you with an essay topic and you will be scored based on your ability to respond. So they will present you an essay topic and you have to respond back by writing the essay on that. You have to write at least 250 words, but I will suggest write at least 270 to 280 words. There is no upper limit, but restrict yourself not writing more than 280, 290, max 300, since that is going to waste your time. You are not going to get any additional point when you are writing more, but better restrict yourself because that time you can utilize for reading what you have already written or proofreading, so that if you have done any mistake, you can correct it out. You will have approximately 40 minutes to finish your essay. Task 1 carries 1/3 of total band score and task 2 carries 2/3. That means out of 9 band, 3 band is for your task 1 and 6 band is for your task 2. But that don't means that task 1 is not important. It plays very good important role in scoring good band score. So don't neglect this. Anyhow, we are going to today discuss about the essay writing first. Okay. So let's see a sample question how an essay look like. So immigration has a major impact on the society. What are the main reasons of immigration? To what consequences can it lead? Write at least 250 words. So this is a sample. This is how a question will be given to you. Each question of essay has two parts. One is the statement. This is the statement, or we can say topic. And then question will be given to you. This is the question. From topic or from statement, you will identify what to write. Okay. And from question, you will identify what format to follow. From question, you can segregate what type of essay is given to you. Later, we are going to discuss different types of essays. So from question, you can identify what type of essay is given to you. Accordingly, you can frame your essay. Now, next, let's discuss about different types of essays that can be asked in your IELTS. So total, there are 5 types of essays. Any one will be given to you in your test. First is opinion essay. So what does this name opinion suggest? Opinion essay simply an opinion will be asked from you. You have to present an opinion. Discussion essay, these are also known as non-opinion essay, because here you don't have to give your opinion, simply you have to discuss the topic that is given to you. Problem solution essay, in this they will give you certain topic and they will ask what is the problem of this, what is the solution for this. Advantage and disadvantage essay, they will be asking the pros, cons, benefits, drawbacks. Double question essay, so let's discuss in detail all type of essay. First type of essay is known as opinion essay. So what do you understand by word opinion? That they are giving you a topic and you have to present an opinion for that topic. Okay, opinion essay generally comes as agree or disagree. Okay, these are also known as argumentative essay, and this is one of the most common type essay asked. Okay, as I've already mentioned, the first part of the question will be a statement, or we can say topic that we need to discuss. Okay, and then they will ask you to present an opinion on that. This can be asked in 3 ways. What is your opinion? Do you agree or disagree? To what extent you agree or disagree? Any of these 3 if asked, this is an opinion type. Okay. these are some of the examples. Like here we can see, nowadays celebrities are more famous for their glamour and wealth than for their achievements, and this sets a bad example to young people. To what extent do you agree, disagree? So what is the topic in this? Yeah, one more thing, they confuse you often. A lot of people think, okay, the topic is that celebrities are famous for glamour or wealth. Not at all. This is not the topic. What is the topic? Topic is, this is a general statement. The main topic is, general statement is saying that celebrities are very famous for their glamorous life, the wealth they possess. But main question is that because of this, it sets a bad example to the young people. So your main question topic of discussion is that it sets bad example, and not only bad example to young people. So this is very important to identify the main topic. So main topic is this. Then they're asking, what is your take? Are you in favor of this or you are in disagreement with this? Second question, when designing building, the intended use of buildings should be taken into account as important rather than the outward appearance. To what extent do you agree, disagree? This is also an opinion asked question. Some people consider price as most. I'm not going very detail into different types of question. I'm going to have a separate slides for all type of question. Okay. Some people consider price as most important thing to think about when buying product or services. Do you agree, disagree? Here, instead of do you agree, disagree, they can simply say what is your opinion, to what extent do you agree, disagree. Anything can be asked. Now let's move to the next type of question. Next type of question is known as discussion essay. In this is not only discussion, discussion and opinion, we can say in a way. So in this, they will ask you to discuss both the sides, and then they will say what is your opinion in that. Okay. Now, what is the difference between agree, disagree and this type of question? That is also an opinion based. This is also an opinion based. In that, you have to write only the topic which you are in favor of. Like if you move to the previous one, here if you are in favor that it sets bad example, you will write on that topic. But here you have to discuss both the sides, and then you have to give your opinion which side you favor for. So that's why this is known as discussion essay and essay, and you have to present your opinion as well in this. The easiest way to approach is choose 1 point for agree, right? So what you do in this detail I will take when I'm going to take this types of essay for sure. Here I'm just explaining you. Say, let's take an example so that it become more clear. Say the question is, students perform better in school when they are rewarded rather than punished. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Now first view, what is the first view? View 1, view 2. First view is, if they are punished, they perform better. Punishment equal to better performance. Second, they is saying that they should be rewarded rather than punishment. So in first body paragraph, we have to write that punishment is better. In second body paragraph, we have to write that no, if they are rewarded, they are going to perform better. Okay. Second question, like computer are being used more and more education. This is not the question. This is just an statement, or we can say an introductory statement. Don't confuse with this part. They often give it to confuse you. The question is, some people say it's a positive trend, while others argue leading to negative consequence. So first point of view is going to be your positive trend, and second point of view is your negative trend. Okay. So in the first body paragraph, you will write what are the positives of computer in education field. In the second body paragraph, you will write what are the negatives of this thing, and in the third body paragraph, you can write which side you agree and why. So first you are discussing both the opinions, and then you are giving your own opinion in that. So always this question will come like this: discuss both sides of this argument and then give your opinion. So hope you understood the difference between agree, disagree when they simply say what is your opinion, and when they say discuss both sides of argument and give your opinion. There is a difference. The next type of question is known as problem essay. Now, this is sometimes also called as cause and solution, this problem solution, cause and effect. Simply the reason is, I'll give you one simple example to explain this question. Say if the topic is obesity. Okay. Now in this, three conditions can be there. First is, what is the cause for obesity? Second, what is the effect, or we can say what are the problems, and then solutions. In the paper, they can ask any two. They can say what are the causes and what are the effects. They can ask what are the causes and what is the solution, what are the solutions. They can ask what are the problems and what are the solutions. Any two will be asked to you in this type of question. Okay, let's take example in this. Say if this is the question, the percentage of overweight children in Western society has increased by almost 20% in last 10 years. Discuss the causes and effect. So here they are asking you to discuss the cause and the effects of this. Okay. Here they are asking what are the problems and what are the solutions. In this they are asking causes and solutions. So they can ask any two of it. Either they can ask cause and effect, they can ask cause and solution, they can ask problem and solution. Okay. The next type of question is advantages and disadvantages. So in this, first part will be statement and then the question will be given to you. There are two different types of advantage and disadvantage. Either they can ask what are the advantages and disadvantage, and do you think it has advantages, do you think advantage outweigh disadvantage? Can you tell me the difference between these two? Here, which one? Okay, first thing, which one is in which they are asking your opinion and in which they are not asking your opinion? Think about. Yes. In this, this is a non-opinion. They are simply saying what are the advantages and disadvantages. This is an opinion based. Here they are asking, do you think advantage outweigh? Here you can say yes or no. Any one you can take. But here you have to write both the things. Here you have to write advantages also and disadvantages also. In this you can simply take any one side. Okay. These are the examples. What are the, in order to solve traffic problem, governments have taxed private car owner heavily and use their money to improve public transportation. What are the advantages and disadvantages of such a solution? Okay. Now comes your last type of question, and nowadays this is very common type question asked, double question essay. Now in double question essay, two direct questions will be asked to you. Like let's take an example, then only it will become more clear for you. It is predicted that robots are going to become increasingly important in our life. How could robot be used in the future? Will this development be a positive or negative? So two different questions are asked in this. Okay. In the first one, they are asking you simply a non-opinion. They are asking you to discuss something. In second, they are asking your opinion. What do you think? Do you think it's a positive or you think it's a negative? Right? The art including considered to be important in society. Do you think art still have place among? So this is the first question. This is the second question. So in this type of question, a statement will be given to you and two different direct questions will be asked in this. Right? So this is all about different types of essays. In the next slide, I am going to tell you about each and every type how to write, because you cannot write all the types of essay with the same format. There is a set format that you need to follow for all types of essay. So just subscribe to my channel, because I'm running a series of 15-day free class course. Every day you are going to get a new video, and once you are done with those 15 days, for sure you can achieve your back score. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and if you have any doubt, you can post your comment in the comment box.